welcome to my channel. My name is Shari and I am based here in Cagayan de Oro City. So, welcome to another episode of ShaiTalks. That is a series here in my channel na ginagawa ko to talk about anything under the stars and the moon. So, let's start. For this one, pag-uusapan natin ang tungkol sa bagong movie ni Miss Julia tsaka ni Gerald Anderson, that is Between Maybes. It was directed by Jason Polaksamana and filmed in Saga, Japan. So, pag-uusapan muna natin yung filming location. So, Saga, Japan is really nice. Ang ganda nung location. Sobrang dami ng cherry blossoms. Personally, kasi gusto ko yung cherry blossom, kaya na-appreciate ko talaga yung movie. So, sa character naman, kay Julia, sobrang bagay sa kanya yung personality ni Hazel. Kasi parang it comes naturally, parang gano'n. Hindi naman siya gano'n siguro ka-arte in person. Pero sobrang bagay sa kanya. Tapos sobrang gandang-ganda niya dun sa movie. Tapos si Gerald naman, the usual, parang minsan parang blank face. Tsaka yung may part din na na sobrang hard nung emotion nung face niya. Sobrang bagay din sa kanya yung character niya. On the chemistry part naman, kung nag-swak ba yung si Gerald tsaka si Julia, para sa akin, gustong-gusto ko yung dating ni Gerald na parang mas older siya doon sa movie kesa kay Julia. Hindi yung parang magkaedad lang sila. Kasi yung girls kasi, I mean, most of the girls would love na parang they are secured, parang ganon. Parang they feel secure if they are with that person. So, parang ganon. Kung ako si Julia, parang ganon yung mafe-feel ko pagkasama ko yung character ni Gerald, which is si Louie. So, parang ganon. Sobrang para sa akin, sobrang ganda ng movie talaga. So, panoorin nyo. Hindi ako magbabanggit ng story doon. So, yung pinaka-first na isa-share ko from that movie is that there is a time for everything. So, may babasahin ako from Ecclesiastes 3:1. It says, "To everything there is a season and a time to every purpose under heaven." Dito na lang ako magbabasa sa verse 8. It says, "A time to love and a time to hate, a time to war and a time of peace." So, yun yung aking isang realizations from that movie. Kasi nga, minsan iniisip natin na o kaya parang pinipilit natin yung isang bagay na mangyari na hindi naman siya bound to happen at that time. Yun nga, there is a time for everything, a time to plant and a time to harvest, a time to be born and a time to die. So, lahat may tamang panahon. Kaya minsan, naiisip natin o kaya nalulungkot tayo na hindi nangyayari yung bagay na gusto natin. Pero sasabihin ko sa iyo, there is really a time for that. Okay? So yun, there is a time for everything. So if hindi siya ngayon mangyari, baka sa susunod pwede siyang mangyari. So yung pangalawa naman na naisip ko after watching the movie is that from Proverbs 19:21, it says, "Many are the plans in a person's heart, but it is the Lord's purpose that prevails." So, gaya dun sa mga character or like most of us, no, marami tayong mga iniisip, marami tayong plan sa buhay, pero minsan yung mga plano natin, hindi sila nangyayari ng ayon sa gusto natin. Kaya, it is still the will of God or the will of the Lord ang mangyayari. So, yung pinakamabuting bagay na gawin natin is just to pray na hindi lang i-prepare ni God yung future natin, kundi so, ang mabuting gawin is just to pray that hindi lang yung i-prepare ni Lord yung ating future, but also yung i-prepare niya yung heart natin para mapagtagumpayan natin, para ma-deal natin kung ano man yung mga mangyayari sa ating buhay. So, ganun siya. So, yung pangatlo naman na iisip ko is that pag nasa sobrang lowest part or lowest state ka ng buhay mo, parang may ipapadala talaga si Lord or isa-send si Lord na isang person na magiging eye-opener mo o kaya magpaparealize sa'yo na ganito ka, this is how valuable you are and you need to get up. If you are feeling down, you need to get up and fight for your life, fight for your goals, fight for your dreams. So, yeah. So, yun yung mga natutunan ko regarding dun sa movie. Sobrang ganda niya. Though, sabi ng husband ko, may mga recommendation siya kung sana ganito nag-end yung movie. But perhaps, sabi ni Julia Baretto dun sa Instagram niya, parang sinasabi na may sequel pa. So, may mga susunod pa na mangyayari. But I just really, really love how they have delivered the emotions sa movie between Louis and Hazel. Tapos, sobrang ganda ni Julia doon sa movie. Parang, sobrang catchy nung sobrang catchy nung face niya. So, yun yung mai-share ko from that movie. I hope na may natutunan kayo. So, if you like this video, please leave a comment below. Please also click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. And please click the bell notification so that you will be notified each time na may i-upload ako na new video. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you on the next one. Bye-bye! God bless everyone!